little quick interruption. I just want to say, if you are someone that is interested in my wig sale of pre-worn wigs, then be sure to follow me on Instagram. Y'all, I'm just here to give y'all an accurate representation of what it's like if you are not a professional, okay? I'm just gonna be real. Hi everyone, my name is MaKaylamashelle if you're new here, and if not, then welcome back to my channel. So you guys, in today's video, I will be installing this new unit, and it is this gorgeous new color that I've never tried. I don't really know why my voice got so deep and why I got so into saying that. However, it's because I'm excited. Ooh, it's different. Like, okay, it's not black, but it's not like too light. It's really giving fall. It's giving gobble gobble turkey. It's just giving. So we are going to be doing that today. And then also, this is not sponsored by ORS or anything like that, but I'm going to be trying out some new products as well. So this is just going to be a hoot and a holler of a video. Ooh, child. I should wash my hair after this install. Y'all, honestly, that's one of the major ways that I retain my length, is because I leave my hair alone, okay? Little pro tip. Your girl don't be fussing with her hair too much, okay? Once I braid my hair up for a wig, it stays braided up for that wig for a little minute. I'm gonna be trying this like darker colored wig cap, which I'm not really sure how this is gonna go, but y'all, oh my god, do y'all see all this fuzz? Do y'all see all that fuzz, girl? That is from the fact that these braids have been in my head for a little minute. Alrighty, now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this part. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna be using this Dark by ColourPop foundation on my lace. Honestly, y'all, it's just some random foundation that I do not wear, so I'm using it, okay? And just that same fountain. Ooh, child, why is showing up so light on this thing? We don't want that. We do not want that. Oh, wow. Okay, so now that I've done all of that, I'm going to apply the Olive Oil Grip Gel Ultra Hold. This is the glue that I'm going to be basically using for this, and I'm just going to apply it along the line of the wig cap, because that's kind of where my wig is going to be sitting. I already kind of eyeballed it. Now, if you're, ooh, that was a nasty sound. Alright, that seems tacky enough. So we're just gonna place the wig. Ooh, child, the baby hairs are out to play. Girl. Let me stop being weird before, like, people think I'm weird. Okay, it's the truth. Okay. Alright. You wanna know what I just reminded myself of? That guy that was like, the back of your head is ridiculous. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I just want to let you know, the back of your head is ridiculous.
Alright, so we're gonna place it down. It's down. It's not glued or anything. It's not there yet. However, I'm gonna go in with the, what's this called? Elastic band that they provided. Oh, okay. See, that's why he separated the baby hair, because this is looking a little crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Olive Oil Fix It Super Hold Spray. Ciao. Alright. And I'm applying it basically in the part where the baby hairs and such. Now, I didn't do quite a hot job separating these baby hairs, because some of these hairs are not supposed to be baby hairs. Okay. We might be getting somewhere. Is it dry though? Not all the way. I'm not gonna cap. No wrap cap. It's not dry all the way. Also, I would like to clean some of this gel out before it dries too hard. Y'all, I'm just here to give y'all an accurate representation of what it's like if you are not a professional, okay? I'm just gonna be real. Sometimes I can install my wig and it's just like snap, snap, crackle, pop. It happens. However, sometimes, you know, you might run into some hiccups when you're trying new products, okay? And that's okay. That it doesn't automatically look like, you know, the YouTuber whose video you followed, okay? Or the hairstylist whose video you followed. It's all right. We keep trying, okay? Okay, you guys, so because I just decided to do a middle part, I basically try to brush the baby hairs that were in the front back because I don't want baby hairs swooping all in the front. We don't want that today. Well, so far we don't want that. If it goes south, then, you know, it might just be baby hair swooping everywhere. I middle parted my hair. I need to continue to pluck the part and put a little concealer in it. However, I want to press my hair before I do that so I can kind of just get a better look at how the hair is actually going to be laying. Now that that is all done, I'm gonna go ahead and pluck the middle part just so it's a little bit more defined, add some concealer, and then we're gonna swoop these baby hairs. Ready, so now I'm gonna go finally do the baby hairs, but I'm going to pluck this a little bit more because, girl, these are curtains that I have sitting here. And then I'm gonna swoop. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking my edge brush, and so first I'm gonna use this, some mousse. You know, old reliable, okay? The girl that's been getting me through my past installs. We gonna use her. Swoop, dee-doo, dee-doo, dee-doo. Ooh, child, I got some long sideburns. Let me cut that. That is good enough for me, y'all. I'm tired of dilly-dallying with trying to install hair. Okay, guys, so it is time for the big reveal of these edges. Of the melt. Let's see. Oh, girl. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Y'all, honestly, I ate this part up. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely am in love with this brown hair. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I am in love. This brown hair might be like my new thing. Brown hair just might be the new MaKayla staple. Like, I just let it sound good. Do I not? So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I'm not 100% sure that I'm going to sell it, but if you are interested, let me know and I will consider adding it to my wig sale. If you guys are interested in my wig sale, which is going to consist of wigs that I have previously worn, they are pre-worn wigs, just a disclaimer. And then I might have like a couple, like a closure or a frontal or a bundle here or there randomly. They're gonna be super cheap. So if you're interested in that, then be sure to follow me on Instagram because I will be posting the wigs and all that stuff there, and I'll be announcing the wig sale there. I don't really know if I'm gonna do an announcement on YouTube. So yeah, I have not picked a date though for when the wig sale is gonna happen, but just know, if you watch my stories, if you follow me on Twitter, I will be posting on Twitter, I will be posting on Instagram when the wig sale is, but it will happen through my Instagram. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at MaKaylamashelle. Bye.